New York authorities still don't know exactly what killed actor Philip Seymour Hoffman. Autopsy findings came back inconclusive. The Oscar winner's body was found Sunday with dozens of heroin packets nearby. And this morning, questions remain about the possible role of others in the tragedy. Vinita Nair is here with new information. Vinita, good morning.
Charlie, Nora, good morning. 3 of the 4 people arrested after Hoffman's death now face drug charges. While the charges don't explicitly link the trio to Hoffman's death, law enforcement officials say that at least one had a verifiable connection to the actor. 57-year-old Robert Weinberg appeared in court late Wednesday night, where he was charged with felony drug possession with intent to sell. Also in court, Max Rosenblum and Juliana Lutschke. Both were charged with misdemeanor drug possession. Police say they found Hoffman's phone number on one of the 3 cell phones discovered in Weingard's apartment. His lawyer spoke out shortly after the arraignment.
I'm hoping that he will not become a scapegoat for Mr. Hoffman's unfortunate death.
Lutschke's lawyer argued she was in the wrong place at the wrong time, while Rosenblum's denied his client had any connection with Hoffman's death.
He walked into a buzzsaw, and he happened to be in an apartment next to a place, apparently, where Mr. Hoffman was known to get drugs, but he had nothing to do with it.
Weinberg, Lutschke, and Rosenblum remain in jail 2 days after they were arrested in this lower Manhattan apartment with more than 350 bags of heroin. Hundreds of fans and friends of the actor gathered outside his New York City theater company last night to pay their respects. The 3-time Tony nominee was honored by the theater community on Wednesday night as the lights on Broadway were dimmed for a moment in his memory. A private funeral for relatives and close friends of Hoffman is set for Friday, and a larger memorial service will be held later this month. Charlie, Nora, it's worth noting that courts have found under state law drug dealers can't be held liable for a customer's death.